very simple topic and it is one of the important topic in GAT, HAT, NTS and every type of competitive examination. So I'll talk about this in depth that in which exam that topic could came. But for now, let's learn how to solve the probability questions. So basically the probability is nothing but it is simply the chance. It is the chance. Yes. So probability is the chance of finding one thing in some sample or in some sample space. So here, in order to find the probability, you must need to know the two important things. One is the sample space and other is the thing you have to find. So sample space and thing you have to find, you need to know, and this is just all. So sample space is nothing but a total population or total number. And finding, they'll give you a question that find the probability of the red ball, find the probability of this and that. So this is all. The third step, you have just to divide your finding, which could be a find the probability of red balls in sample of 30. So you simply do 1 over 30 if the red balls are 1 in total. So let's leave that. Now let's learn this concept in depth. So if you have a question that find the probability of red balls in a bag containing 5 red balls. So first of all, you have to check the total numbers of red balls, which is known as sample space. So this is, in that case, it is 5. Our sample space is 5. So now, what is the probability of red balls? Now you can see each ball is red, and each time when you draw the balls, the possibility that red balls could come is also 5, because you can draw the red balls 5 times because there are total 5 balls. So basically the probability of red ball is 5. Now the next would be, if the question comes like that, a bag contains 5 red, blue and 8 white marble, find the probability of red ball. For that purpose, you have to find the first your sample space, which is nothing but the total number of marble present. So this is 17, which is your sample space. So now, how many reds are present? 5. So you simply do 5 by 17 because the total red balls are 5 in 17, which is sample space. So you simply do the divide because each time when you go for red ball, it is chances that 5 times the red balls could come because in total it is 5. So there is nothing difficult in probability basic question. You just have to do one simple step. You have to find the sample space. You have to find what you have to find. It is given in question. You have to find the probability of red ball, green ball, and either which ball. So you have to check it out that, and then simply you have to divide it by the sample space. And you have to check further it would get simplifier not with one table. So this is not going to cut with one table. So our probability is 5 by 17. So I am planning to come with more videos and the past paper questions from GAT, NTS and HAT. So if you wanted to see the questions and answer and practicing and lots of material like this, follow my channel and subscribe it. And thank you so much for your watching.